Look, picking a 2-ton AC is a massive headache. You're looking at thousands of dollars, and if you get it wrong, your summer is ruined. I spent the last few weeks digging into the best air conditioner 2-ton units on the market, comparing build quality and real-world efficiency so you don't get stuck with a lemon. Let's get into it.
Product number 1 HVAC 2-ton 13.4 SEER2 Central Air. When I first got my hands on the 1 HVAC unit, I was impressed by the architectural gray finish. It sounds fancy, but in person, it just feels like a tank. The steel cabinet is thick, and you can tell it's built to live outside in the rain and humidity without turning into a rust bucket in 2 years. I specifically looked at the coil. It's got those enhanced aluminum fins that are crucial for heat transfer. During my testing, what stood out was the factory-installed filter dryer. It's a small detail, but it saves your compressor from moisture and gunk right out of the box. This thing is a workhorse. It meets the Florida building code for salt spray, which is a huge deal if you live near the coast like I do. The maintenance side of things is actually pretty thoughtful too. I checked the access ports and they aren't cramped. A technician won't be cursing my name when they come for a tune-up. It runs on R32, so it's modern and meets the newer environmental standards. If you want something that's built like a vault and has a solid 10-year warranty to back it up, this is a very safe bet. It's not the flashiest unit, but it's reliable. If you're living in a coastal area or somewhere with brutal weather, the heavy gauge steel on this one makes it the winner for durability. Let's look at something a bit more specific to certain regions.
Product number 2, Goodman GSX 1302413, SEER 2.0 ton. Moving on to the Goodman GSX 13, I noticed right away that this is a no-frills kind of unit. It's compact, which I appreciated when I was trying to figure out placement in a tight side yard. The build is classic Goodman. It's functional, the parts are easy to find, and it doesn't try to reinvent the wheel. It's a 13 SEER unit, so it's more of an entry-level efficiency pick. Now, here's the big thing I noticed. You've got to check your map before buying this one. Because of federal guidelines, this specific model is a no-go for a huge chunk of the US, including California, Texas, Florida, and most of the South. I've seen people get stuck with a unit they can't legally install, so keep that in mind. In terms of how it actually hums along, it's a single-stage system. It's either on or it's off. It's simple, and simple usually means fewer things break. If you're in a northern state where the summers aren't a 6-month marathon and you just need something affordable to keep the bedrooms cool, this fits the bill. It's the budget-friendly, old reliable of the group. It won't win any efficiency awards, but it gets the job done without a massive upfront cost. Just make sure you're in a state where it's allowed to live. If you want a bit more oomph and updated tech from the same brand though, there's a better version.
Product number 3. Goodman 2-ton 14.3 SEER2 Condenser and Coil Condenser. This Goodman setup is a bit different because it's a combo deal. I spent some time looking over both the condenser and the vertical coil that comes with it. The coil is all aluminum, which is a big upgrade over older copper aluminum mixes that used to leak all the time. It's got that grooved tubing, which I noticed helps it pull heat out of the house way faster than the base models. What I really liked during my inspection was the accessibility. Goodman designed this with service valves and gauge ports right where you want them. It's pre-charged for 15 feet of line set, which made the initial setup feel much smoother. One thing to watch out for, this uses R32 refrigerant. While that's great for the environment, it requires a leak detection system if you're pairing it with a furnace. It's an extra step, but it's for safety. The 14.3 SEER2 rating makes it noticeably more efficient than the older 13 SEER models. In my experience, this is the sweet spot for most homeowners. You're getting a modern, high-efficiency coil and a reliable compressor without jumping into the crazy expensive price brackets. If you're doing a full system refresh and need both the outside unit and the inside coil to match perfectly, this bundle is the way to go. It's a solid mid-range powerhouse that won't kill your electric bill. But if noise is your biggest concern, you might want to look at this next one.
Product number 4, ACiQ 2-ton 14.3 SEER2 Central Air Conditioner. When I pulled the cover off the ACiQ unit, the first thing I noticed was how well protected the internal parts are. It has a galvanized steel cabinet and a louvered coil guard. I've seen units where the fins are totally exposed to hail or stray rocks from a lawnmower, but this one is tucked away safely. It's another unit that's Florida rated for high winds, so it feels incredibly sturdy. The real standout during my test was the noise level. Most 2-ton units sit around 74 decibels, which is like a loud vacuum cleaner running outside your window. This ACiQ unit clocked in at 58 decibels. I could actually stand next to it and have a normal conversation without shouting. That's a massive difference if your AC sits right outside a bedroom or patio. The warranty is also a step above the rest. 12 years on the compressor. That tells me they really trust the heart of this machine. It's a 14.3 SEER2 unit, so the efficiency is right where it needs to be for modern standards. If you value peace and quiet, or if you're worried about long-term reliability, that 12-year compressor warranty makes this a very compelling choice. It's the quietest unit on my list by a long shot, and it doesn't sacrifice any cooling power to get there. Now, if you want the absolute Tesla of the group, this last one is a different beast entirely.
Product number 5, COSTWAY 2-ton ducted heat pump system. The COSTWAY system is in a league of its own here. This isn't just an AC, it's a full heat pump system with an inverter. When I looked at the air handler, I loved that it could be installed vertically or horizontally. It's super flexible for tight attics or crawl spaces. The build quality on the indoor unit is clean, and the outdoor unit feels premium with its gray finish. The performance is where this thing blew me away. It's an 18 SEER2 system. To put that in perspective, it's significantly more efficient than anything else I've talked about today. Because it's an inverter, it doesn't just blast on and off. It ramps up and down to maintain the exact temperature. When I ran it, the noise inside was almost non-existent, only 26 decibels. That's like a whisper. Plus, it works in extreme weather. It'll give you heat when it's 5 degrees outside and keep cooling when it's a blistering 125. It uses R454B refrigerant, which is the latest eco-friendly standard. This is the unit for someone who wants the best tech, the lowest energy bills, and a system that handles both winter and summer. It's a more complex install, so you'll definitely need a pro, but the energy savings over 5 years will likely pay for the difference. It's the high-end choice for the tech-forward home.
Choosing between these comes down to your climate and your budget. Whether you need the brute strength of the 1 HVAC or the high-tech efficiency of the COSTWAY, you really can't go wrong with these 5. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals.